Ever clicked on a website that made you want to leave immediately? That's what a bad design can do. Small businesses lose customers every day because of simple website mistakes, like confusing menus, slow loading, or outdated styles. A good website is easy to navigate, fast on any device, and filled with clear calls to action that tell visitors exactly what to do. And don't forget the behind-the-scenes magic, SEO basics like meta titles, alt text, and fast hosting can skyrocket your search visibility. Fixing these issues can be the difference between a lost visitor and a loyal customer. Want to know if your website's helping or hurting your business? Get a free homepage audit from MarketinGear today.